Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Saturday, April 27th. Focus there. And I did get my car back from being serviced. So as I mentioned in my previous video, I was going to have them do a 4-wheel alignment because my previous tires, the Michelin Pilot Sports, were having like a cuffing issue where the inside of the tread were getting worn out faster. I never had an alignment since I got this car in 2014. So they did that. I had a coupon for that, so it was $90. I guess not too bad. Oil change, you know, obviously kind of pricey compared to doing it yourself. And then the rotors, which I had changed because they're warped. Previously, like at another dealership, Gerald Subaru Aurora, they tried to resurface them, but they were too far gone, even though I've never had them resurfaced. So they had to replace both rear rotors, and they were kind of pricey. I'm not sure, obviously dealerships, some people call it dealerships. I'm not sure if that really is how much they cost, but it's kind of pricey. And then, so basically total oil change, alignment, and rotors. So we got $237 in labor and $306 in parts. So yeah, you got to do what you got to do. No more warranties, so now just got to kind of pay up when you got to get things fixed. So basically, I'm going to go for a drive. I'm going to tell you about the differences I feel with this alignment, and I will tell you, I do notice a huge difference. And get on the road. It is raining, so it's not going to be exactly the best driving conditions, but that's okay. I think rain is relaxing. So I'll see you guys on the road. Peace. What's going on, guys? I'm sitting in the drive. So yeah, like I said, my first alignment I got my 2015 Subaru WRX. Why I kind of held back so long, I don't know. Like my previous car, which is a Saab 93 Aero, I did get alignments on that. Every single time I get alignment, they'd always screw it up because like that car in particular had like, I guess the rear had a slight rear steering, I don't know what it's called, like a hybrid rear steering. But basically the rear wheels would kind of tilt or, change angle when you're actually doing low speed maneuvers. And for some reason getting alignment on that car was like the biggest hassle, unless you really went to someone who really knew what to do it. But after getting alignment on this car, which is my first one I got, like I said, I had the issue of the tires cupping and the inside tread pattern was wearing faster than the outside. And dude, this thing is like straight as an arrow. Like I remember before when I'm driving just casually, I'm kind of holding the steering wheel like around this angle here, just kind of cruising along, and I would always have to have like a certain amount of pressure to kind of keep the car straight. I never really paid much attention to it. I just thought, okay, maybe because the road is kind of tilted and stuff, but I always had a lot of pressure that I would pull onto like at this angle. And now I can just basically, I'm just barely holding onto it. It's just like straight as an arrow. Like there's no more having to have pressure at this point in the steering wheel to keep it straight. So I do think it makes a big difference. So if you've had your car, you put a good amount of miles, and you feel like maybe you need an alignment, get it done. Like I had a coupon for it, $90. Not sure what the regular price is, but not too bad. And I guess it's worth it. I'm actually surprised that it actually did make a difference. And hopefully that will fix that issue I had with the tires being worn out prematurely on the inside layer of the tread. But of course now I got my new tires on, so that's the whole reason why I did it, because I wanted to run these tires too. So the car's doing awesome, very happy, enjoying it, because I got oil change too. And they did replace the rear rotors. I did kind of visually inspect, and from what I see, they look like they're newly replaced. I haven't tried any hard braking maneuvers because, I always kind of feel like everything kind of has like a little breaking point. I just got new rotors. I don't want to like all of a sudden brake hard, but just kind of slowly, let them kind of break in if that makes any sense before I do any kind of, hard braking to see if it really did make a difference, But, yeah, so as you can see, it's raining pretty good. I guess we were supposed to get some snow. I don't know if it was today or yesterday, but yeah, it's just like, I don't mind the rain. Rain is kind of nice. I find it relaxing, especially in the morning. This is like a day where you kind of want to sleep in, just listen to the rain, relax. But me, I'm a driver. I want to drive and talk about my car and have fun and share the moment with you guys. So that's just how I am, I guess. But yeah, like I said, car's doing awesome. The next thing on the list would be to change the front brake pads. And I guess the dealership said that whenever they do that, they have to resurface the front rotors. So I guess that's pretty much the last thing we got to do with this car, and then I'm pretty much all set for summer. Whether what I want to do. In some ways, I wish I could still race my car, but I'll tell you what, man, I just don't want to do it, man. I don't want to risk it. Like my warranty is gone. I took full advantage of my warranty, and I did all the crazy stuff that I did. Is on those tracks and launches, and I got my clutch covered 2 times, which is like out of this world. Even though I do on the E32, but for now, I better just preserve what I have. I got a new clutch. I never really launched the car, so if I want to keep this car a long time and keep it in good condition, you know, take care of it. I mean, you take good care of your car, and in return, it'll take good care of you. So that's just the way I see things. So yeah, I mean, yeah, because I know the track did just recently open up. I think it was last week. And yeah, I was like, I wish I could go, but you know what? I gotta be smart about things. So if I'm gonna be smart, I better not go. If I do go, it'd be cool to film the other car myself. But I feel like I had my fun, and now I better just start taking care of things. You know, the warranty is gone. You know, I'm 56,000 miles now, and now it's time to kind of grow up, and I've had my fun. So yeah, it's unfortunate. And yeah, it would make for some good content, but yeah, realistically, I gotta be smarter about things. That was kind of rough. But yeah, like I said, car is like straight as an arrow. I mean, I would always have, like, this road I could tell is kind of tilted, but I would always have to have like a really hard pressure on the steering wheel to hold it straight. And I do really want to say that it does feel like it did make a difference. So, and I was kind of watching stuff on YouTube, and now they have like a really high-tech machine when it comes to alignment, or like they take lasers and computers that, you know, make all the adjustments and stuff, and it looks like it really does make a difference. So, you know, I'm pretty confident that it did it correctly, at least I hope so. Because I did hear some stories about some people getting alignments and then, you know, having to redo it over and over again. So, I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it holds up okay. But yeah, car's doing awesome. I think once I close the vid, I gotta go put some gas in my car and stuff. And then I'll probably head back home and get this video uploaded right away. That's the thing, like me, I'm fast on things, you know? Yeah, I don't do any crazy editing and stuff, but no, the reason why is I want to get this video up like as soon as possible. I don't really, I mean, what is there really to edit? You know, I'm going for a drive, I'm talking, I just kind of keep it more low-key, I guess you could say. So, like, as soon as I get home, I turn on my computer, upload the files to my computer, put it on YouTube, and boom, bam, it's like, it's up there like right away. So like, that's just being pretty fast about that. Of course, I'm not editing, which takes a lot of, you know, time. But I guess that's just my style. So yeah, that's pretty much what I want to get out. I don't want to make a video too long. Just wanted to go for a little talk. I'll do at least one little pull here and there, just to have some camera as well, just to have some excitement. Fix the camera though. I don't know what happened, like the headrest kind of like popped up. I'll wait till I'm at a safer spot to fix it. Well, let me see, from this angle I can see what's going on. Oh well, I guess that'll be fine. But yeah, not such a nice day. Pretty cold, rainy, you know. I guess there's not too much to do, so like I said, I'll probably close the video. I don't want to keep it important. I think I'm going to head over to Shell, put some 93 octane gas, head back, and get this video up online. So I think that's about it. So as always, guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate every subscription and every comment, and that's why I pretty much or reply to every comment. You know, I guess that's the end. I just want to help people out at the same time, kind of, you know, entertain you guys at times. I don't know what I'm doing when they're driving fast, or, you know. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your weekend. Looks like the weather's not so good here, but if you're in somewhere where it's nice, whether it be Cali or somewhere south like Florida, enjoy if you can, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support, and see you guys next time. Peace out. Use WRX.